Does everybody know what time it is? It is pool time in New Hampshire. So what happens is for 3 glorious months, we get to swim in our swimming pools in New Hampshire before the ice hits again. Just got all the green swamp water out of the pool, and we're slowly converting it over to blue. I discovered this product a couple of years ago. It's called Pool RX. It's literally like magic in a basket. It's an algicide, and you add it into the basket before the pump that goes into the filter in your pool. I have a 18-foot pool. The walls are like 48 inches high. It's 4 feet high. So mine takes the blue basket. There's a couple different kinds of baskets, and I tried to cheap out and not get one last year and reuse it from the year before because the swimming season's so short up here. It's literally like 3 months pushing it, and I failed. So this year I didn't cheap out. I got another one. I'm not getting paid by these guys, even though I wish I was, because it's a pretty good product and I wish I got them for free. But I'm not. It's really good. It'll really help to keep your pool water crystal clear. I've done a couple of videos on this product before, and I'm going to add one into my basket right now, and I'll show you everything that's involved. So make sure your filter is off, and they have it in this blister pack, but it has tabs on the back of here, so you can just peel it open, which is nice. You don't need a knife to open it up like 90% of these stupid things. It'll come right out, and then literally just place it in, and that is make sure you get your cover nice and tight, and then kick your pool pump back on. So once the cartridge is in place and the filter's on tight, it just kind of hangs out in there. That's it. It's pretty easy to put in. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this product in the description of the video, so you can zip over to Amazon and buy one for your pool. It works really good, and it's kind of one of those set it and forget it kind of things, and once you use it, it works awesome. I've been using this for a couple of years. Well, usually like around August around here, I'm always fighting an algae problem, and ever since I've been using it, I haven't had that problem with the pool. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the video and I'll reply back to you. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.